Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello friends, today we are going to learn English reading and speaking practice part 2. Hello friends, now see, introducing myself. Read the story. Hello, my name is Steve. I am 10 years old. My birthday is on 19th of June. I am tall and thin. I have short brown hair and big brown eyes. I have a small nose. People tell me that I have a lovely smile. There are 6 people in my family. My father is an engineer. His name is Dan. My mother is a teacher in my school. Her name is Polly. I have 2 sisters, Tina and Jean. They are twins and are 7 years old. But they don't look like twins. Tina has long brown hair like my mom. Jean has curly black hair like my dad. I also have a younger brother called Tom. He is 5 years old. In school, I enjoy maths and art. I also like physical education, but I don't like Chinese. I find Chinese difficult to understand. In my free time, I play football and basketball. I'm a pretty good basketball player. I'm on the school basketball team and I have won Player of the Year twice. I also really enjoy hiking. I usually go hiking on Sundays with my dad. I like hiking because it is good exercise and I can enjoy the lovely scenery. School. Read the passages and answer the questions. Hello, my name is Peter. I am 8 years old. I go to school in Hong Kong. I study 6 subjects. They are English, Chinese, Maths, Science, Art and PE. I love Chinese. It is my best subject. I like English too. However, I don't like maths. It is my worst subject. I think maths is very difficult. Hi, I am Kimi. I am 10 years old. I go to school in Japan. I like school because I enjoy learning new things. My favorite subject is art because I love to draw pictures, especially cartoons. I like English, but I prepare Japanese. My best subject is music. I always get high marks in my test. Questions. How old is Peter? Answer. Peter is 8 years old. Where does he live? He lives in Hong Kong. Which subject does Peter like best? Peter likes the subject Chinese the best. Why does Peter not like maths? Peter does not like maths because he does not like maths. He thinks that maths is his worst subject. He also thinks that maths is very difficult subject. Next question. Where does Kimi live? Kimi lives in Japan. Kimi hates art. True or false? This statement is false because Kimi's favorite subject is art. Which subject does Kimi prefer, English or Japanese? Kimi prefers Japanese. Which is Kimi's best subject, music or art? Kimi's best subject is music. Best friends. Hi, I am Julie and my best friend is Hannah. We are always together. We are both 13 years old and we are in the same class. Hannah lives in the same street as me and we like to spend our free time together. When we have a break in school, we sometimes play skipping and sometimes we just sit and chat. We always walk home together and talk about our homework. When I am doing my homework and I don't understand a question, I often call Hannah for help and we do it together. After we have finished our homework, we always chat on the computer before we go to bed. We never go to sleep without speaking. At the weekends, we usually go to the mall. Hannah always wants to go shopping, but I often like to do other things like skating or going to the cinema. We plan our day together and rarely disagree. She often sleeps over on Saturdays. We watch TV or a film together and we usually eat popcorn or sometimes we have a pizza. We both like to wear casual clothes, jeans and t-shirts, and sometimes we swap clothes. If I want to wear some jeans, I often borrow a t-shirt from Hannah because she has some cool clothes. She never complains and she often borrows my caps. Hannah has a little brother, Charlie, who 9 years old. Sometimes he can be annoying and he takes her things without asking her. I don't have any brothers or sisters, so Hannah is like my sister. Our parents often say we are like twins as we are so alike. My family. Read the story. Peter is 10 years old and lives with his family in a small house near the beach. There are 5 people in Peter's family. His mom's name is Pam. She is tall with long blonde hair and big green eyes. His dad's name is Chris. He is also tall with short brown hair and small blue eyes. Both of Peter's parents are kind and helpful. Peter has one brother, Tom. Tom is older than Peter. He is 12 years old. Tom has short curly hair and small brown eyes. Tom is kind to Peter. He shows him how to ride a bicycle and also helps him with his homework. Peter's sister is only a baby. Her name is Tammy. Peter loves his sister. After school, Peter likes to read stories to Tammy. Tammy likes animal stories because Peter makes funny voices and faces for each animal. Mrs. Smith is a good teacher. In Leeds, in UK, she is a primary school teacher. She loves English. At home, she has got a husband and 3 children. She has no time for any pets. She usually gets up at 7:30 and she drives to school. When she arrives at school, she gets her classroom ready for her pupils. She usually wears a skirt and jumper for school. She likes to wear her pearl earrings at all times. They are a gift from her husband. In the evenings, Mrs. Smith has a lot of jobs to do. She makes the dinner, clears away, stacks the dishwasher, and sometimes she works. Later on, she makes sure her children have a bath and she reads them a bedtime story. She relaxes a bit. Her husband does the washing and ironing. On Friday nights, she goes out for a meal with her husband. They usually go to a French or Italian restaurant. On Sundays, they take the children out somewhere, maybe to the park, to the zoo. Mrs. Smith is very happy with her life. She doesn't want to change anything. She is a nice, happy teacher. My daily routine: read the story. On weekdays, I normally wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. It takes me about 20 minutes to get dressed and brush my teeth. I have my breakfast with my family at about 7:30 before heading to school, which starts at 8:15. My first lesson starts at 10 to 9. I have 2 lessons before recess. Recess lasts for 15 minutes. Then it's back to the classroom until lunch time. I eat lunch at 12:30 in my classroom, but I go to the playground to play with my friends. When the bell rings at 1:10, at 1:30 lessons start again until 3:10. In the afternoon, I have a piano lesson or a tennis lesson from 4 o'clock for 1 hour. After that, I return home and start my homework at about 5:30. I eat dinner at around 6:30, and at 6:45 I normally watch my favorite program. It lasts for half an hour. After that, I generally finish my homework, and finally at about 8 o'clock I play a board game with my dad. At 7:30 I start getting ready for bed. I must be in bed before 9 o'clock, but I am allowed to read my book until 9:30. Then it's light out. Hello friends, thanks for watching my videos. I am also very thankful for subscription of my channel. Hello friends, if you like this video, please put a like and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, goodbye. See you again in the next video. very soon.